Hey everyone, it's Brian from Workshop Addict, and we are at SEMA 2017, and we're in the Ingersoll Rand Booth, and we're going to talk about this bad boy right here, the W5132. That is an awesome impact wrench. Let's go through some of its features.
Yep, so this is our cordless 3/8 impact. It is the most powerful impact in its class. It's got 550 pounds nut busting torque and 365 foot-pounds of max reverse torque.
Tell us about that. Everybody hears nut busting torque. Everybody hears, you know,
yeah, you
what
got
is
breakaway, max reverse, forward, max torque.
Working torque.
So there's a ton of different terms in the industry. And one of the things we've done at Ingersoll Rand is we want to create more transparency about how we measure our torque and just about the fact that there really aren't any industry standards for measuring torque. So you can go to truthintorque.com and see some videos made by our staff up at the engineering in Annandale, New Jersey. They've put together some series explaining what nut busting torque is and how it differs from reverse torque and breakaway torque, all that. So definitely check those out.
Does that lingo apply to possibly how other manufacturers might use that lingo too?
It can. I can't really speak to exactly what other manufacturers are doing, but I think everybody wants to show that they have the best tool for the job, and we try to do that with a level of consistency in terms of how we measure our torque across all our different tools so that you can compare apples to apples.
That's awesome. The impact wrench that you have in front of you, we've used it a lot. We love it. It has a lot of cool features, from hand tight to just the LED light that's right there for all the situations you need, and it's got great battery life.
Yeah.
What do you guys use it for? What'd you design it for?
Well, one of the things we wanted to do is take the task light out of your mouth and put it on the tool, right? This is going to save a hand. This is going to save space. You don't have to mount something on the hood. If you're working in an engine, you don't have a lot of light, you just pop the light on. It's a shadowless 60, 40, 20 lumen light, so you can use this light in all different applications and have plenty of visibility, no matter whether you got a socket on the gun or not.
And while there is a different model number, that same impact wrench comes in 1/2 inch also?
Correct, so that you can use it for different applications. We also make it, it's called the 5152, which is the same gun, but it has a 1/2 inch anvil on it.
Both of them are hog ring, so it's easy on, easy off with your sockets. Very cool impact wrench. Guys, subscribe to our channel. Give us a like in this video. We're at SEMA.